a rollout of how we rolled the whole system out and had it adopted was, like we said, in April 2014, we started working with Sitka on this and had a very early version out within a month that we could start playing with. And we met weekly with Sitka through conference calls, which was really great. It was a very responsive to anything that we needed to have changed. And so it was a very much a real-time, making the change, and then us at TRPA working with it. By the end of that year, we had a full version that we rolled out to implementers to report, and then used that as kind of our beta test, where we were making changes based on the feedback we heard from that reporting. But if you think we didn't have the system out that long, it actually went very smoothly that year. And then in August 2015, we went out with a full public launch at our annual Lake Tahoe Summit, which is a summit that's held by our congressional delegation in DC to celebrate what we're doing here in Tahoe. So that's where we went public with it, and then made it available under an open source license. Like we said before, we had great buy-in from people who were using it, and people started to really see the functionality and the utility of the system. One of the things that we had here is we're a big agency, and we're always asking implementers and local jurisdictions for information. And it seemed like the feedback we were getting before this was, it seemed like there were 10 people at TRPA asking for slightly the same information. So let's just make one ask. And that was a real good thing for a buy-in with the system, is that it was one ask for information that could be used in different ways. Like Matt had said, we started doing the EIP reporting, and then we realized a lot of that information is the same information we need to manage the Federal Transportation Improvement Program through the Tahoe Metropolitan Planning Organization. So that was another way that we were able to make some small tweaks to the EIP project tracker to help it function to manage our FTIP program. We also had a way to have people, implementers, propose new projects for the program, which helps keep us very up to date. And then we started to see, people really linking to the system from even their own websites.